to share a yes Stonebwoy ni road manager so na asem no ano ayaye din yi pa ya ka se road manager wo bia wo hwe se Stonebwoy ebekọ ba bia wo be di kan akọhwe kwan mu di moto afa kwan ma hwe se e bia wo fa ha se obedu ntem traffic wa ha se enipa ni ha se aha no fa ha ha chi kakra na che se eye road manager no wo be di kan e di moto ene nkrofo moto be arrange nyina Stonebwoy ebe form abano no be hwe se obetutu sa niema ni nyina ansa Stonebwoy akodu eye no bebia wo se wodu no Stonebwoy ekopie mu e wo GTV morning show no no ankasa nenum se ma no kan na no ayaye din o hwema na akronfo na je eye ni road manager no wo ma je ne car ene na danfo ene niema wo laptops ni o mo phones de wo ma je ne nyina sabre ano aye din message so be like attention TV na misro so wa subscribe on my na misro bell no so wa boss send your notification be fi attention be bia no won so won sabe kebi Stonebwoy ankasa na num sam e cheche kwan e fa so akronfo no etimi saka ni road manager wo mu wi na sabre de aye dem pa wono ankasa e nanum tu efi eye GTV morning show so e de aba me ntiemra.
Yesterday another unfortunate incident happened. I need to chip it in. My road manager and a friend was robbed right after I'd left them. You know, I left them and I drove home, and he was going to drop the friend at home. Immediately, they got into their compound.
Robbery.
2Armɛd got into the house, snatched their car, and sped off right in their compound.
Wow.
You know, could have lost his life.
Yeah,
you know
man.
what I'm saying? So
we're grateful.
So
I'm just pleading. I'm using the opportunity. This is Ghana TV. If you know of your street, if you know about what happened, we don't intend to hurt anybody. We just bring love to the people. So kindly, please, park the car somewhere. It's a Benz. You know, I think it's a C300, one of those C. We'll find the details. We've reported and everything, but I'm just using this fateful opportunity, you know, if I can, to plead with whoever is behind it. Just leave the car somewhere. The money definitely is not easy to come by, but it's not a problem. The money's in the car whatsoever. The phones, no problem. Just park the car somewhere. You know, be good to us, because nobody has done anything. We don't owe you. We haven't hurt you. We haven't stolen from you. We're only working hard to get our peace. So imagine you working so hard to you the thief, you know. Imagine they come thief you for your house.
Thief, man.
It's not fair. You know what I'm saying? And at gunpoint.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
You know, and so please, you know, one of those incidents.
Yes.
Imagine he was shot.
Another
and
story.
Then something else, you know, just
Another story.
Talking about education, I want to say congratulations for your, on your graduation.
Yeah, thank you very much, man. Thank you.
People were talking. I don't know whether how do you deal with critics?
Just be specific so I can answer the question. Because then it goes too broad. So we can, you know.
Okay. Make I no go there.
No. I'm like, be specific, right?
It's the issue. I mean, criticism, the issue. I mean, after graduation and after your graduation, people were like, okay, Stonebwoy, well, and you even made a post. Or I saw a video. As not like someone was videoing you, was like, why you be that? John. Something so. They like only Obiana.
Okay. Also, school akwenya nenye Obiana unyaye. Ebinu munyaye omampe. Ebinu pezo omenya. You know, at that moment now me read the citation to confer on ourselves, because the I think the dean the school rector board you know, it's a position in life. I mean, could be that. What I say, me say minu anmo akobi, amanfo akobi, amoye ni omu see. So like it's nice. So be hu amanfo ewie PhD, na me yire wa koko masters degrees on F. Inti me so me asona me so me reading am or say you have been conferred on you. Aluminous, aluminous, no me ka aluminous na hitting me, and I'm sick child the aluminous. What am I saying? Nyankupo eshamina in life a lot, but aluminous no the can man, you know, I bore me chest, and I'm sick child aluminous. What be that? Oh, so it's more of like a rhetoric question into the air, but. when you receive it back to yourself and you realize that wabada. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Hey, we bisa but who bisa and our family say wa baby da. Oh no, as I realize say won waba, but obi so ebi obi to be mind, you know. John, what am I saying? But that's supposed to make everybody laugh like everybody is laughing. You know how we do it. You know, I can't say abo, you know that kind of stuff. I know people enjoy that, but I've said the opposite will be saying only about criticism. No, say will be kuko you, you know.
Yeah.
Only there, Mitch. I wasn't. It's supposed to come because the whole time I now go school no cry no. But I make a profile I make a tree.
Yeah.
The whole time I now nyakupo adum make me join the school now make koni nyina no. Na bra me fem any amani huno a me come any rescheduling my thoughts ni me juma ni me family ni stress na any mental na pressure na me no. Every time you know eya na me down for ni twa me a na me ka wo mu say when you na eche no uya e beka say wa ma because it is unbelievable. You can't believe say having being so upbeat on your career as a musician and scored the highest successes that can be amongst the tours and coupling it up with this no me akasakwa me dwene ho a na say me a naysayer I would doubt it if it wasn't me and me a naysayer like a negative minded person I would not be able to put that to me the threshold will not make sense. Exactly. But sana nyankopon peno sana metie. Me ever since nyankopon ma ye wo me ba wiase nyama bebere ba me yani doesn't ebronti ase so. Wow. I just say we a pessimist optimistic person and also you be our faith who GD when nyankopon mu say you can break barriers, you can excel. Untumi ya madamfo because in yamani bikwa na be o say na won fans na ye ni nti no nyankasa I know say ya de so mbonti ne say yes no entumi tally ade no anya me ya but na so omu mo ye nkofo ade are the loudest utumi hu obi a ono said minji ni say we wie JSS utumi ka say kai na ko school na ye dem paper ni ohono eno no say me chance upon it say now we on the social media say me chance upon it I hear hono na ya me ya say sometimes na social media say they have obia to make us say where be cry DSS unwie be but one more kosa levels now they understand say it's doable over to me here so me know I'm just grateful say that aspect of my life has also obi share me on airport man maybe I'm in me too and say hi your friend me say she has locks so tia obekai or you talk akra me know say I'm lawyer I'm this congratulations and I hope that you continue to do your masters and probably even your PhD and I'm saying let's see what God will do. So what I say Mijidi said the toughest of it would have been the beginning where I went 3 to 4 years so I think the masters depending on the kind of course